Welcome to Sun and Nail Art Therapy, where mindfulness and relaxation meets creativity and beauty. We're excited to introduce you to a world of endless possibilities for your nails. At Sun and Nail Art Therapy, we believe that your nails are your canvas, and we provide you with the finest tools to unleash your imagination while relaxing your mind. Our step-by-step system will help you create gorgeous designs on full-cover gel nail tips. Whether you're into timeless classics or want to experiment with cutting-edge trends, we got you covered. But don't take our word for it. Our satisfied customers are the best testament to our product's quality and creativity. Most importantly, while you design your nail art masterpieces, you go through specifically organized healing and uplifting, stress-releasing journey. From high-quality gel nail polishes and gorgeous watercolor paints that stay vibrant and chip-resistant to professional-grade tools that make nail art a breeze, we got everything you need to turn your nails into work of art. Collect your reusable nail art masterpieces monthly. Sign up to receive membership kits and wear nail sets to help you elevate specific emotion at a time. Ready to elevate your nail game while experiencing mindful relaxation? Purchase our all-in-one Empower Kit and start your journey towards nails that make an uplifting statement. No matter what challenges you're going through, Sun and Nail Art Therapy. Nails that will make you feel better.